Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 1 and C is 9 and D is 11. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules as you can see on the screen, PAMDAS and BODMAS method. These rules we will apply to solve this arithmetic expression. There are some other rules like PEMDAS and PADMAS, so you can apply those one, but the answer is same and the method is similar. So let's start to discuss like what are the rules is. So here we will discuss what mass and palm does. So B stand for bracket and P stand for parenthesis, which means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, any square bracket, any curly bracket, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number two, you have to see the power of any number if your expression contains any exponent or power of any number or order of operation. So you have to solve that one after the bracket. Step number three, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Either you are using the palm task or board mass, the method is similar because both has similar precedence. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we will solve, we will follow same rule. We will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. If addition is coming first, so we will solve addition first. And if subtraction is coming first, so we will solve the subtraction first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. So now move forward to next step, which is order. And you can see the exponent part. So we will go for this one, which is exponent part. But in our expression, we do not have any exponent part or any number which has the power. So we can skip this one as well. Now we have to go for um, division and multiplication. So we have to go division and multiplication. We will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we have 8 plus 9 divided by 9. We will divide this part, which is 1, multiply by 5, multiply by 2, minus 7. We will write here as it is. And here we will write 9, 9 divided by this one, we will write divided by 9 equals to 1. Now move forward, step number 3, we will revise again as it is because we have here multiplication and division. Until we have solved all the multiplication and division, so we will repeat this step. So we write 8 plus 5 multiplied by 1, we will write here as it is 5 multiplied by 2. Again, we will write as it is minus 7. And here we have to give the reference 5. 1 multiplied by 5 equals to 5. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and see which is coming. So now we have 5 multiplied by 2. So we will write 8 plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 minus 7. And here we have to write 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now move forward. We have solved all division and multiplication. So now we have to see the addition and subtraction. So what we have to do? We have to go for left to right and we will find out like 8 plus 10, which is equals to 18. And minus 7, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 8 plus 10 equals to 18. And now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 11. So the answer of the given expression is 11. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and mod mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.